Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Xiaomi 13 Lite. First of all, go into Play Store on both and click on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by hitting OK. Over here, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive next to Send at the bottom of Xiaomi. Also on Xiaomi, choose the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to an Android. Finally, you can click on all of those categories at the top and in them tap on those type of dots to select all of your files from this category. You can also click on the chosen ones. I will go with this one photo and this song. When you finished, select Send next to Selected at the bottom and click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. As you can see over here, we have two ways to connect. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon located above the user guide on Xiaomi. Now allow camera access by choosing while using the app or only this time in the pop-up. And lastly, point your device's camera at the code. If you want to input this key though, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers from an Android. Now to connect, hit Receive button and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!